Good afternoon, everybody. It is now time for the Star Wars The Rebellion Legends Collection. Epic Collection, I should say. Volume 1. We are on the Star Wars Vader Quest number 1. Vader Quest number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Please, if you would like more, and even a live video of a comic book reading, like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you. Every little bit helps the channel grow into becoming a YouTube partner, which I'm this close to. Thank you. Let's get into it. Skywalker. Sent to us, the Museum of the Old Republic, now closed. He has confessed. He just told us the name of the pilot who destroyed the Death Star. He just confessed? Indeed he did. He has, Lord Vader. He just told us the name of the pilot who destroyed the Death Star. And right on time for someone to lose her bet, right, Mala? I'll have the crunchy croissant delight. The Gabra mud cake with junk beetles. Ugh. Freshly fermented hut bile. Ugh. Yeah, rub it in. I know that band, Pawiga, which name was it? Oh, some Blazer Star Killer. One of those. I can make sure they mock Mistress Mala no more. I can make sure they mock Mistress Mala no more. Thank you, 40. Let them be. But we have it recorded. There, I sent the last few minutes in a loop. Just press. There, you found it. Skywalker. Skywalker. Sky. There, you have it. You have it. You have it. Happy now? Skywalker. Lord Vader. Yavin 4. There he is, Rich. That Skywalker. Hey, Luke. Rich, wanted to meet you. Big fan of yours. You are the greatest pilot ever. Hey, thanks. Thanks. Sorry about that. It's thruster lubin. Kind of hard to get off. Sorry. No big deal. Doesn't look too bad. No big deal. Doesn't look too bad. Aren't we just too good for words? I'm sick of everyone fawning over the Golden Boy, the greatest pilot ever, my boo. I done 31 missions, shot down 80 ties. Stop, it's all right. How many has he had? One lousy mission, one lousy lucky shot. One lousy chance torpedo down that shaft. Anybody could have done that. I could have. It should have been me. Still in that mood, y'all? Want to talk? Stop! It's okay. Oh, leave me alone, Wedge. What do you want? To help a friend, you ought to forget about the Death Star. How can I? Its end was brighter than the sun. And where was I? In sickbay with measles. And the kid, he takes my X-Wing, steals my kill, and gets a medal. We're not in this for medals, Ja. Oh, shut up, Wedge. I'm sick of you and your alarm. Alarm. What's happening? Are we under attack? Has the Empire regrouped its forces? I'm terribly sorry, sir. I was explaining to R2 what not to do around the alarm when suddenly, twee peep out. Yes, there were 3PO. Okay, thanks. Goodness, that Jow. Jow, what are you doing? I'll show you who's the greatest pilot ever. It was a false alarm, Jow. We are not under attack, Jow. The greatest ever. Your wings are open, Jow. Not in the hangar. Ja! Hold on, Silman, one more moment, and we are out of here. Why us, Brazo? What have we done? That black-hearted turncoat Vader. This is how he honors his deals. Almost there. Brace yourself, oh ancestors. Ah! So you know, what am I going to tell Mother? What am I going to say? You got the last ones, Lord Vader? No, 2 missing, Ban, Parita, and the burnt little one. Pariga's been spotted, Lord Vader, near the outer eye. Surround it! The rebel inside him. Finish him off. Yes, Lord Vader, right away. Perhaps I should have listened to you before, 40. Too late for regrets, Mistress Mala. That much is true. Let us see the rebel. Hey, you! You man, soldier. Hey, traitor. What? A traitor, right. It's what I am, a traitor. As if you were the only one that was it, you told Vader. Must have seen something bad. Alright, we're going to continue. I just have to take a break for a second. I got to take a drink.